Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to install fonts on your Mac. So let's get started. First, open Safari and search for fonts for Mac. You can choose any website you like that offers free or paid fonts. For this tutorial, let's say I found a font called Atmosphere. Once you've selected your font, go ahead and download it to your Mac. Open Launchpad and from there search for and open the app called FontBook. This is the built-in font manager on every Mac. Inside FontBook, you'll see all the fonts already installed on your computer. On the left side, click on User to install the font only for your account. Next, click the plus symbol button at the top. A file window will open. Navigate to the font file you just downloaded, select it, and click Open. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.